about history of JavaScript. First of all, let me tell you the original name of JavaScript is ECMAScript. Sorry, LiveScript. The original name of JavaScript is what? LiveScript. Let me tell you, LiveScript was developed by Netscape Corporation in 1990s. So don't ask me tomorrow, sir, who developed this LiveScript. LiveScript was developed by Netscape Corporation. It's a company name. When they developed? 1990s. And in 1995, Brendan Each, the popular scientist of Netscape Corporation, renamed LiveScript to JavaScript. Okay, renamed to LiveScript to JavaScript. So don't ask me tomorrow, sir, when JavaScript came. JavaScript came in the year of 1995. And one more coincidence I will tell you. What is a coincidence? Java also not came in 1995. Java came in 1991. Oak renamed to Java in 1995. Similarly, JavaScript also known as, means 1995 JavaScript came, but earlier it was known as LiveScript. So LiveScript converted to JavaScript in the year of 1995 only. Oak to Java, LiveScript to JavaScript. Okay. And next thing what I want to tell you, JavaScript is developed, okay, by using C language syntaxes. So don't ask me tomorrow, sir, how they develop this JavaScript. JavaScript is purely developed by what? By using C language syntaxes only. Not only JavaScript, guys, you go and check Python also. Python is also developed by using C language syntaxes only. If you read, you will get to know. And next is what here? The official name of JavaScript is ECMAScript. So what is the official name of JavaScript here? ECMAScript. Here, so let me say here, ECMA stands for European Company Manufacturer Facturer Association. So tell me, what is the ECMA stands for? European Company Manufacturer Association. It's a full form. So this is what is a small history of Java, guys. So earlier JavaScript was known as LiveScript. And who gave LiveScript? Netscape Corporation. And who renamed LiveScript to JavaScript? Brendan Each. In which year? 1995. How they developed JavaScript? By using C language syntaxes. Now I will ask you one question to you. Java is there. Java also developed by using C language only. 75% they use C language to develop Java. Python is completely developed by using C language only. Completely by using C language. So do you think that already we have some knowledge in JavaScript? So learning already we have some knowledge in Java. So do you think that learning JavaScript is difficult task for us? No, it's very easy, sir. Whatever the programs we implemented in Java, same programs we will do inside JavaScript also. I will show you what are the changes we need to do. So see, many people will ask, sir, how do you remember this many topics? Because I know Java. That is the reason. If you know Java, you can also remember multiple topics, multiple technologies. So Java is like that. But other technologies are not like that. If you learn any other technology, you need to be expert in that technology only. But Java people can survive in any domain. Any domain you can survive. Tomorrow, if you want to go to Hadoop, you can go to Hadoop. If you want to go for Salesforce, you can go for Salesforce. If you want to go to the Java side, you can go to Java side, front end side, anywhere. Nowadays, data science, AI, ML also we are using Java only. Earlier, we used to work only with Python, but nowadays even Java is using in data science, AI, ML. So that is the benefits of what here? Java. So I was talking about JavaScript. So we got some history of JavaScript. Okay, sir. Wonderful. I got an idea. So what we will do after this, I want to give you the next topic that is known as advantages of JavaScript. Today we will see why we should learn JavaScript. What's the reason? Because of its advantages. The first one is nothing but it is used to develop interactive web pages. So tell me if you want to create interactive web pages. So tell me you created a lot of web pages, right? Yes, we created a lot of web pages, but they are not interactive. If you want to create interactive means assume that I created one form. I am not giving any username. If I click submit, login, sign in, immediately he should give one dialog box. Please enter username. So it is interacting with you. Understood my point here, no? So it is used to develop what here? Interactive web pages. It is used to perform client-side form validation. Client-side form validation, that only, sir. I'm not giving username and password. If I click login button, what it will ask? Please enter username and password. Assume that it is asking for age. I'm giving ABCD. Tell me your age is ABCD. Yeah? Yes. So it will check the format or not? So who will check the format? JavaScript. It will say, please enter numeric values. If I'm giving phone number having 10 digits. If I'm giving 9 digits or 11 digits, immediately it will throw one message. Array, please enter 10 digits only. Understood my point here now? So it is used to perform what here? Client-side form validation. And next is what here? It is used to display. It is used to display dialog boxes and pop-up boxes. Remember that point here. JavaScript is same like Java only. Indirectly, you are refreshing your mind with Java. So remember with the help of JavaScript, what we can display? Dialog boxes, pop-up boxes. We can display that also. Next, what I can say, it is used to create a dynamic web page. Dynamic web pages. Dynamic web pages. Dynamic means what here? At runtime, we can add the data. At runtime, we can add the data. So that is called what here? Dynamic. Static, dynamic. Okay, sir, we got an idea. Next is what here? It is a, okay, I can say it supports objects. It supports what? Do you know what's the specialty? Sir, you told na JavaScript support objects. So JavaScript is object-oriented programming, huh? No. So remember, let me tell you one point here. It is a object-oriented programming language. Who? Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It is a object-based programming language. So please never consider JavaScript as a object-oriented. It's an object-based. And do you know why we consider it's an object based? Because it's supporting the objects, but it never considered as an object oriented. We have TypeScript. You know, TypeScript is also one language is there here. So TypeScript, who will learn if you want to update yourself in Angular? There is a one technology is there, front-end technology, Angular, like React. So those who wants to learn, let me give you here. Those who wants to learn Angular, or you can say Angular JS. So that time what we should learn first? TypeScript you should learn, then you need to learn Angular. So this TypeScript is an object-oriented language. Object-oriented it is. But JavaScript is not object-oriented. It is a object-based programming language. So that is the reason I am telling you. It supports, let me say, it supports objects like what? Arrays, strings, regular expression, and etc. etc. These are the what here? Objects. These are the objects of JavaScript. Array is an object, strings is an object, regular expression is an objects, like that. DOM is an object, BOM is an object. We have multiple objects, guys. Next is what here? It supports date and time also. It supports cookies also. Understood my point here? And one more main specialty is it is a weakly typed checking language. Weakly means what? Loosely. Loosely is also known as weakly type checking language. Semicolons not mandatory, sir. It's optional. So now tell me, after having this many advantages, so working with JavaScript is good or not? Tell me. Yes. And one more thing it supports drop-down menu. What it supports? Drop-down menu. It supports objects. It supports date and time. It supports cookies. It is a weakly type checking language. It is used to create interactive web pages, dynamic web pages. It is used to display dialog boxes and pop-up boxes, and it is used to perform client-side form validation. So this is how you need to tell the advantages of what here? JavaScript. Understood my point here now? Sir, how do I know these points? Because I do the same operations in my course. We will create interactive web pages. We do validation. We display dialog boxes. We create dynamic web pages. We use drop-down menu. We use objects. We use date and time. We use cookies, and it is a weakly type checking language. Okay, sir, got an idea. We understood about advantages of JavaScript.